American Environmental Review is a national platform where nature and technology meet, where protecting and preserving our precious resources takes center stage, where the spotlight seeks out and shines on the environmental innovators. This editorial series, featured on public television, takes an inside look at the outdoors, explores how the decisions we make today impact each of our tomorrows. U.S. Green Fiber was handpicked as a featured guest because of its commitment to the environment in which we live.
Hello, I'm Morley Safer. Protecting the environment is an important issue in today's world, yet many individuals and companies don't always know the best way to conserve the natural resources we have. Many believe the key lies in new technology. Here's an example.
Across our nation, construction is on the rise. Every year there are new developments in the industry designed to increase safety, reduce costs, and improve environmental efficiency. Increasingly, builders look to construction materials to achieve these results. Insulation plays a big part in a structure's overall power plan. Today, contractors, as well as consumers, are demanding more from this energy-saving material.
Consumers look for two things from their insulation. One is energy efficiency, which gives them low or at least reasonable utility bills, and also comfort. I'll tell you, I, as an architect, look for three other things also, not just energy efficiency and comfort. I also look for an insulation that provides protection for the family against fire, sound, and bugs.
There are two primary types of insulation, made from two completely different substances. The most commonly known is made from fiberglass. Sheets of cotton candy-like material are laid in the walls and roofs of buildings. The other popular form of insulation, called cellulose, comes mainly from recycled newspaper. It is applied as a spray.
Special machinery changes newspaper back to material similar to its original wood fibers. These fibers are permanently treated with chemical fire retardants, which significantly improves the fire safety of buildings. In addition, it is specifically treated to resist mold growth and insect pests. This process creates an insulating material that's safe and has 85% recycled content.
It may be made out of paper, but in international fire safety studies, this type of insulation is a proven blaze buster. That's one quality builders, contractors, and subcontractors seek.
The purpose of insulation is to keep the energy costs down, and also it provides a fire retardant for the structure. We also like cellulose due to its safety factor for the installer and for the home. Those are the main criteria we look for when we're choosing insulation for our contract.
Cellulose insulation also differs in structure from traditional fiberglass material. Rather than being formed into sheets that may not fit perfectly between wood or metal framing, cellulose conforms to any space because it's sprayed on, filling in any small cracks. The material's density limits air infiltration, which adds to the fire retardant quality.
When you realize that about 25% of your entire heating and cooling load on your house is for air infiltration, it's important that you close some of that. If you take the average house and add all the places up where air coming in, it's about like having a window or door wide open. Oh, by the way, no air, no fire.
Protecting the environment has become a major issue for the construction industry. Builders realize that many of today's environmentally correct options are fiscally favorable as well. What was once the choice of a few concerned citizens has become the norm for a society now focused on preserving what we have left.
Environmental technology is a rapidly advancing field, and as developments occur, you'll see them on American Environmental Review. Be sure to join us next time.
Cocoon insulation requires 1/5 the energy to create versus glass fiber insulation. This energy is called embodied energy. It's essentially the sum total of all energy required for mining, harvesting, transporting, processing, and packaging, all the ingredients that go into a product. And best of all, Our cocoon insulation has almost 1.5 times more thermal value per inch than the more popular glass fiber insulation. This allows you to get more insulation in smaller spaces. Cocoon cellulose insulation is truly an amazing product.
Cellulose insulation is a fast-growing industry because when the consumers learn that their house can be more fireproof, more soundproof, roach-proof, and have lower utility bills, they want it. So instead of sending newspapers to the landfill, they simply make cellulose insulation.
Many of our contractors ask for cellulose product, and we feel that the cocoon cellulose product is one of the best products on the market today.
John F. Kennedy once said, "The supreme reality of our time is the vulnerability of our planet." It is a timeless statement. World population, consumption, and technology push forward, often more quickly than natural resources can support, or with consequences more costly than we can afford. The need for a unified effort to nurture, renew, and protect the planet has never been more compelling. Therefore, once again, American Environmental Review extends a special thanks to the companies that have risen to meet today's environmental challenges. This has been a presentation of